We'll start with some dynamic movements for warm-up. So come into a standing position with feet slightly more than hip distance apart and toes pointing forward. Raise both the arms up and grab the opposite elbows. As you inhale, extend the spine up, and as you exhale, turn towards the right side. Bend forward, keeping the spine long, bringing the elbows close to the right shin. Then swing towards the left side and then back. Let's do this dynamic side to side swing a few times. This is called Dolasana or the pendulum pose and is a good warm up for gently opening the hamstrings and the lower back. Keep breathing. 2 more times. Right and left, right and left, and come to center, and then gently roll up 1 vertebrae at a time to come back to a standing position. We'll do Tiryak Tadasana next. So keep your feet hip distance apart. Interlace both the fingers, and as you inhale, extend both the arms up. And as you exhale, bend towards the right side, looking up towards the ceiling. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend towards the left. Inhale, back. Let's do these 5 times on each side. Keep breathing and keep the spine long. Come towards the left. Breathe into the stretch on the right side and center. Bend towards the right and breathe into the stretch on the left side and center 2 more times. And center and release. Take a deep breath in and out here. Next we'll do Kati Chakrasana. So bring your hands on either side at shoulder level. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, twist towards the right side, taking the left hand on the right shoulder and twisting towards the right. Look back. Inhale, center, and then twist towards the left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Make sure both your heels stay grounded onto the mat. Let's do this 5 more times. Last round. And come back to center and relax. Next, we'll do a dynamic forward bend and backward bend. So keeping your feet hip distance apart, bring both the hands just above the hips. As you inhale, start pushing the hips forward and bend back, looking up towards the ceiling, raising the chest up. As you exhale, start folding forward, keeping the spine long and bringing the hands to the mat. If you're not able to bring the hands to the mat, you can have a slight bend in the knees so that your back remains straight. Now from here, as you inhale, extend the right arm up and twist towards the right, looking up towards the right thumb. Exhale, come down. Inhale, take the left arm up, looking up towards the left thumb, and come back, and then come back up. So we'll do this set 5 times. Inhale, extend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, center. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, center. and come back up. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, fold forward, bringing the hands to the mat. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, back. Inhale, left arm up. Bring it back and come up. 2 more times. Inhale, extend back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, back. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, back. Come back up. Last time. Inhale, back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, down. Now staying in the forward fold, step the right leg back and the left leg back to come into downward facing dog, and then bring both the knees onto the mat to come into a tabletop position. Here, as you inhale, extend the spine and look up, and as you exhale, curl the spine and bring the chin to the chest. Again, inhale, extend it up. Exhale, curl down. Inhale, up. Exhale, curl down, creating space between each vertebrae and rounding the spine. Inhale, up. Exhale, curl down. Last round. Inhale, up. Exhale, curl down. And come back to center. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, push into the hands and feet and raise the hips up to come into downward facing dog. Let's just walk the dog a few times by paddling our knees and opening up the hamstrings. Breathe into the stretch you feel in the back of your legs. Keeping the spine long, extending the tailbone towards the ceiling. Last time. Then look between your hands. Step the right foot forward and the left foot forward, and then slowly roll up to come into a standing position.